skills is the set of habits, principles, and methods which accelerate learning by the maximum utilization of our body, mind, brain, and consciousness. These learning skills help students not only to learn faster and easily, but also to retain it for a longer duration of time, which create confidence in them. Let's meet some students. Anjani, how many continents are there in the world?
7.
Can you name them?
Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, Antarctica.
Okay, can you name the countries of the world?
Asia, India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Turkmenistan, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Mongolia, Russia, Taiwan, Russia, China, Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Myanmar, Laos, Cambodia, Thailand, Vietnam, Brunei, Indonesia, Timor, North Korea, South Korea, Japan, Malaysia, Hong Kong, Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Bahrain, Qatar, Cyprus, Armenia, Georgia, Azerbaijan, Turkey, Oman, Lebanon, Israel, Syria, Jordan, UAE, Sri Lanka, Maldives.
Wow. Can you name the countries of Europe?
United Kingdom, Ireland, Denmark, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, Belarus, Ukraine, Moldova, Germany, France, Italy, Portugal, Spain, Belgium, Netherlands, Switzerland, Botswana, and Herzegovina.
Wow, remembering all the countries of the world. That's amazing. Let's meet one more student. His name is Arpit. Arpit, you are in which standard?
7th.
Okay. Can you recall periodic table?
Yes. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, nickel, copper, zinc, gallium, germanium, arsenic, cerium, bromine, krypton, rubidium, strontium, deuterium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver, cadmium, indium, tin, antimony, tellurium, iodine, xenon, cesium, barium, lanthanum, praseodymium.
Okay, wait. Can you tell their names according to their atomic number?
Yes.
Okay. What is on 23?
23, vanadium,
72?
hafnium,
94?
plutonium.
Wow, that's amazing. Arpit, can you tell the names of the states of India?
Yes.
Can you tell the area in square kilometers of Indian states?
Yes.
Okay, what is of Rajasthan?
342239 square kilometers.
Punjab?
50362 square kilometers.
Orissa?
155707 square kilometers.
Karnataka?
191791 square kilometers.
Wow, that's amazing. You might be surprised by the brain power of our students. Our students are Google Kids. Let's meet one more Google Kid. What is your name?
Jinendra.
You are in which standard?
6th.
Can you name top 15 islands of the world?
Bali Island, Kauai Island, Maui Island, Cape Breton, Mount Desert, Manny Tasmania, Galapagos, Santorini, Santo Stefano, Phuket, Thailand, Great Bo.
Okay, wait. Can you name the deserts of the world?
Sahara Desert, Great Sandy Desert, Rubal Khali, Gobi, Kalahari, Sonore, Thar.
Wow, that's a miracle. Can you name national parks and sanctuaries?
Malas National Park, the Great Himalayan National Park, Sundarban National Park, Bhalupang National Park, Nameri National Park, Hamisai Altitude, Simply Pearl National Park, Kanha National Park, Nandankana National Park, Kanha National Park, Dudhwan National Park, Garmata Turtle National Park, Royal Chitwan National Park, Rajaji National Park, Sultanpur National Park, Kaziranga National Park, Bandipur National Park, Namtapa National Park.
Great.
मैं आपको कुछ श्लोक सुनाना चाहता हूँ. धर्म क्षेत्र कुरुक्षेत्र संवेतायुत्सः मामका पांडवाश्चैव किं कुर्वत् संजय कुतस्त्वाकश्मलमिदं विश्वे समुपस्थितम् अनार्जुष्टं स्वर्गम् अकीर्तिकरम् अर्जुन न त्वेवाहं जातुना स्वं न त्वे नेमे जनाधिप न चैनं न भविष्यामः सर्वे वयमथ परम् देहिनोऽस्मिन् यथा देहे कौमारं यौवनं जरा तथा देहान्तर प्राप्तिर्धीरस्तत्र न मुह्यति मातृस्पर्शास्तु कौन्तेय शीतोष्णा सुख दुःखदा.
Now what I'm going to tell you is so amazing that you are not going to believe it. One of our student Aryan can recall the whole encyclopedia. He can tell which topic is on which page number. Hello Aryan.
Good time, ma'am.
You are in which standard?
I'm in 7th standard.
Okay. Can you tell me weather is on which page number?
It is on 146.
Okay. What is on page number 124?
Ma'am, it's a description of South America.
Okay. And flying machines is on which page number?
60.
60. And what is on page number 32?
32 castles.
10 तक, 20 तक, 100 तक नहीं, 1000 तक पहाड़े आते हैं। देखते हैं, चेक करते हैं। तो कुनाल आपको 1000 तक पहाड़े आते हैं?
यस मैम।
एक टेस्ट हो जाए?
Yes,
ओके। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, 352 4
1408
ओके, 470 into 6
470 into 6 2820
ओके, 565 into 9
565 5085